what's the bolt release for here when you have to do this anyway?
So it's going to be similar to your AR,
Yeah.
just kind of hit the side of it.
It works the same way, you don't have to hit it like that?
Correct, yeah, there is a last round. It's not like the MP5 where it's, you know, locking open the charging handle. That is forward, so that can be on your first load.
Okay, yeah, so it's not gonna lock there?
No, sir. Yeah.
Unless, so when the magazine gets empty, it just locks like that?
It stays forward, the bolt catch, so that little follower will push up your bolt catch, and then you just go ahead and hit the side of the receiver, you're back in action.
Makes sense. Thanks, man.
And we did it. We introduced it 5.56 right here at Blackout. Then we brought in 7.62 by 39 Legend. We did last round, which is unheard of. And completely new. Took a bunch of AR accessories, but you can also put an M19 logo on this. Do side focus because there's really nothing.